Lakeshore. Oh, we parked here. And we just walked along here. Came up the stairs.
Hi friends! Today we're going to take you on a little tour of one of our local waterfront parks. Mainly because we got this new little camera and we're quite excited to try it out.
Waterworks Park. The permanent residents are here.
The freeloaders.
Freeloaders. Alright, they're not backing down.
The park has long walkways along lakeshore, lots of places to sit, and beautiful landscaping for migrating birds and butterflies. On this day, there were so many little bugs called midge flies. They don't bite, but certainly got in our faces. Very annoying.
Wow, you're still recording. Yes. Oh wow. Well, it's still recording, eh? Nice. Feel the cool breeze. See.
The stairs lead up to an observation platform and access to more walkways and picnic areas.
These are bigger.
What is this?
This is the Larry King Trail.
Also, there's a memorial to the HMCS Oakville, a warship in the Second World War named after the town of Oakville. We often visit this little park in the winter to get out for a walk and in the summer to cool off by the water.